Overcoming common challenges of breastfeeding in the first few weeks. Watch to the end if you are a new mom who is just starting to breastfeed. One of the most natural and important ways to nourish and bond with your newborn baby is through breastfeeding. It provides both you and your baby numerous benefits and is proven to reduce the risk of certain illnesses and promote healthy growth and development. But we know that breastfeeding can also come with some challenges, especially in the first few weeks. Sore nipples, low milk supply, engorgement, and latch problems are just some of the common challenges that new moms face when breastfeeding. Don't let these challenges discourage you. With the right information and support, you can overcome these challenges and enjoy the wonderful experience of breastfeeding your baby. Watch until the end because, in this video, we are going to discuss these common challenges in detail and provide you with practical tips and strategies for overcoming them. Whether you're a first-time mom or an experienced breastfeeding mom, this video is for you. We're here to help you navigate the breastfeeding journey and make it as comfortable and successful as possible. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. We're sure that by the end of it, you'll feel more confident and empowered in your ability to breastfeed your baby. Common challenges. One of the most common challenges that new moms face when breastfeeding is sore nipples. This can be caused by improper latch or positioning. When a baby is not latched on correctly, it may pull or bite the nipple, causing pain and discomfort. Imagine the feeling of your nipple being pinched or pulled. It's not a pleasant one, right? But don't worry, we have tips and strategies to help prevent and relieve sore nipples. Another common challenge is low milk supply. This can be caused by several factors, such as stress, certain medications, or hormonal imbalances. It's normal for new moms to worry about whether their baby is getting enough milk, but with the right information and support, you can increase your milk supply and ensure that your baby is getting the nourishment they need. Engorgement is another challenge that new moms may face. It's when the breasts become full, swollen, and painful due to an oversupply of milk. This can occur in the first few days after birth and can make breastfeeding difficult. But there are ways to relieve engorgement and make breastfeeding more comfortable. Latch problems can also make breastfeeding difficult and painful. A poor latch is when the baby is not latched on correctly. This can be caused by a variety of factors and can make breastfeeding difficult and painful. But don't worry, we have tips and strategies to help correct latch problems and make breastfeeding more comfortable. We understand that these challenges can be overwhelming, but know that you're not alone. Many new moms face these challenges, and with the right information and support, you can overcome them and enjoy the wonderful experience of breastfeeding your baby. So stay tuned as we dive deeper into the practical tips and strategies to help overcome them. Tips for overcoming challenges. One of the most important things you can do to overcome breastfeeding challenges is to ensure proper positioning. Different breastfeeding positions can provide different angles for your baby to latch on, which can help reduce friction and pressure on the nipple. Some popular breastfeeding positions include the cradle hold, the cross cradle hold, the laid-back nursing, rugby ball hold, dangle feeding, and the football hold. Try different positions to find the one that works best for you and your baby. For sore nipples, use a lanolin cream to avoid nipple cracks. Apply also a warm moist heater compressed to the breast to relieve the pain. Breast engorgement. It can be prevented by breastfeeding or pumping regularly. Massaging the breast while breastfeeding or pumping. Use of warm compress to encourage breastfeeding. Another important tip for overcoming breastfeeding challenges is to stay hydrated and eat a healthy diet. Drinking plenty of water and eating a balanced diet can help increase your milk supply and provide you with the energy and nutrients you need to keep breastfeeding. For an increased milk supply, try incorporating it into your meals. Oats, fenugreeks, brewer's yeast, almond, spinach, and sweet potatoes. Support is also key when it comes to overcoming breastfeeding challenges. Having a support system, whether it's a lactation consultant, a breastfeeding support group, or a friend or family member, can provide you with the help and encouragement you need to keep breastfeeding. Finally, it's important to remember that breastfeeding is a learning process for both you and your baby, and it takes time and patience. So be patient with yourself and your baby as you navigate the breastfeeding journey. In this video, we've provided you with practical tips and strategies for overcoming common breastfeeding challenges, such as sore nipples, low milk supply, engorgement, and latch problems. With the right information and support, you can overcome these challenges and enjoy the wonderful experience of breastfeeding your baby. Remember that breastfeeding is not easy, it takes time and effort, but with persistence and determination, you can make it work. We hope this video was helpful and informative for you. Stay tuned for more breastfeeding tips and resources. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more breastfeeding tips and pregnancy videos.